Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Leze Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you can change your WhatsApp interface from light mode to dark mode. Okay, so let's get today's practical started. But before we get started guys, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell icon so whenever I upload content about WhatsApp tutorial, you'll be able to learn one or two things. So let's get today's practical started. So I'm going to click on my WhatsApp right away. Now you can see, let me make a screenshot. Okay, so this is the light mode of my WhatsApp. So I'm going to switch from this light mode to dark mode, and you guys will see how easy this stuff is done. So now what I'm going to do is that you have to come to the, let me make another screenshot. Then I'm going to click on color just to indicate where you need to click. Okay, so you have to click on these three dots at the top corner of your WhatsApp. Okay, now I'm going to click it right away. Now after click on it, you have to come down below here and click on settings. Then from settings, this is going to open up at this point here. So the next step you have to take here is to go to charts. So you get to chat, this is going to pump up. Then from the top here where you see theme, click on theme. Then from light, select dark. Then click on OK. Boom. Simple as that. So you can see this WhatsApp interface has been changed from light mode to dark mode. This is how you set it up, and I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you are very new to my channel, please remember to support this channel by click on the subscribe button and then click on the notification bell icon. So whenever I upload content about WhatsApp, you will be able to learn one or two things. And if you have any further question as far as this tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.